Canada is home to over 1 million Filipinos, and this number could increase further in 2024 as more Canadian provinces seek to recruit more Filipino workers. The Migrant Workers Department says opportunities are opening up for Filipinos in Nova Scotia, Manitoba, Calgary, Yukon, and Saskatchewan, Canada.
Yung usual natin ng mga welders, pipe fitters, sa hospitality sector, yan pa rin po yung nakafocus sila aside from, of course, our healthcare workers.
The Philippine government is just finishing a framework agreement with Saskatchewan province for the deployment of healthcare and non-healthcare OFWs.
Paano mas mapapadali yung recruitment process at kung paano sisiguraduhin na yung babayaran ng ating mga kababayan ay hindi na ganun kalaki kung sakasakali man merong mga costs, no, when it comes to working and living in Canada.
Labor opportunities also await thousands of OFWs in Saudi Arabia. The Philippines is among possible labor sources for Saudi Arabia's mega infrastructure projects.
Owners of the mega projects, and kami po, ever since October, we are in talks also with the mega recruitment agencies. Kung wino-workout lang namin yung detalye. As I said, mahirap po magpadala ng daang-daang libo doon na hindi pa naka-workout yung detalye.
The DMW hopes to conclude talks on the deployment of skilled workers to Saudi on the first quarter of 2024. But for those who don't want to travel far, Japan is another possible destination for aspiring OFWs.
Agriculture, sa hospitality, of course, no. Marami din yun sa kanilang mga factories, manufacturing, at na-mention nila yung care workers.
A Japan desk was also recently launched at the DMW office to speed up recruitment.
Marami na ho kaming natatanggap na mga requests from the delegations in Japan. Nakikita po nila talaga na ang Pilipino ay seryoso pagdating sa hindi lamang po sa pagtatrabaho, no, but doon sa pagtatrabaho sa Japan.
South Korea is also opening up while the demand for OFWs in Hong Kong and Taiwan remains high.
We're working with Korea, no, matagal na yung partnership natin for hopefully, no, nagkaroon din ng may talks tayo about caregivers in Korea.
And amid these huge job opportunities for Filipinos, the DMW reminds the public to be mindful of scams.
Yung website po ng ating department, nandiyan po lahat ng detalye, lalong-lalo na yung mga licensed recruitment agencies. Please communicate with us, ask us questions, tahanan nyo po ito, kami po isasagot. Minsan may time difference lang, pero sasagot po kami. Wag po kayong magbibitaw ng daan-daang libong pera.
The department is also intensifying its campaign against third country hiring, or the scheme where deployed OFWs are illegally recruited to another country. Tristan Udalo, CNN Philippines.